Hello everyone, welcome back to Lunch Tech Bites. My name is Amelia and this is your daily feed for tech. Now that we have covered GoGuardian Classroom, we're going to take a look at scenes. Scenes are designed to give teachers added control over student web activity during the classroom session. Select scenes. If this is the first time you are using GoGuardian, you probably do not have pre-made scenes that you have used in the past. If you have already used GoGuardian in the past, you still have the old scenes you used to have in GoGuardian 1.0. Let's create a new scene. Add a scene, provide a name, description is optional, and now let's take a look at the filters. This is where it gets a little tricky. I want to block YouTube. Select the URL and come back to scenes. Paste the URL. You will need to toggle the filters. You can block everything but YouTube, or you can allow everything but YouTube. This is where it gets tricky. I'm going to allow all of the websites except YouTube. This might be a little confusing for some of you. You can always come back and update this option and then save the scene. Once you paste the URL, don't forget to select Add Site. There are also pre-made lists that you can choose from. Feel free to explore these options to allow or block sites within the scene for your classroom. The tab management will allow the teacher to force open a tab on student Chromebooks once the GoGuardian session starts. For example, I want my students to access this website as soon as I run my session. I copy the URL and then paste it in the field. Don't forget to select the option to add the tab. The teacher can also manage open tabs by setting a limit on the student Chromebooks. Select the drop-down and then select the number of open tabs you will allow your students to have. You can save the scene. You can return to the classroom, select the classroom to add the scene to, go to session, and let's apply the scene. To add the scene to the classroom, select Scene Status Change Scene, and then select the scene that you want to apply in the classroom. In this example, I am selecting to block YouTube and allow all the other websites. You can see that the student view gets a blocked web page, and the student can no longer access YouTube. However, they can still access the other websites. I'm going to select the student screen tile to view the details. You can see, they can no longer access YouTube. However, they can still access Drive and they can still access the CVUHSD portal. In the student view, they can still access the CVUHSD portal and they can still access Google Drive. However, they cannot access YouTube. You can see a small icon of a face, happy face, that says YouTube blocked. When you're ready to unblock the websites, you can go back to change the scene and then select Remove Current Scene. Select None. And now the website is allowed one more time.